In this chapter, let's introduce with the powerful Divi theme and this page builder. For that, I have to create a new page because I want to apply this everything in this page. So just I go page and add new because I want to create a page and I want to understand you how the Divi builder works. So it's a test purpose. So I just write here test and simply publish and again publish. On publish is done. You can see one function is for use Divi builder. It's only come for the Divi theme. So before chapter we are on about how to you can get the Divi theme and how to you can active the Divi theme as well. So I just go right now use the Divi builder. And if you know how to the Divi builder work, you can skip this chapter as well. So you can see Divi is ready for working and there has a 3 option. One is build from scratch, 2 is choose a pre-made layout and clone a existing page. So let's learn one by one. The first one is build from scratch. That means if you have a design the got from your client, or if you have a plan for making a website, custom design, suppose if you want a background, text, button, then pricing, anything for your own way, you can use this thing. And suppose and also you can make any kind of custom website. Suppose I go theme forest. Okay, simply write here theme forest PSD web templates. Okay, simply go there and you can see a lot of website template is appearing here. So I just going with this website and go screenshot. And next, suppose you are choose this template and you want to make this website as well. In this situation, you can use this tool for make any kind of website. It's a complete design tool and there has around 50 module for make any kind of website without code, totally drag and drop. So you can make it any kind of website. So let's introduce with another one. So before I told you that Divi has almost 1000 of pre-made layouts. So suppose if you want to make a website within a few minutes, you can load their pre-made layout and after load completed you have to just change the text image and you will be get a new website within a few minutes. So I will describe you later on because if I want to describe with choose a pre-made layout, it will be lost your interesting to building a custom website because it's totally easy and no need much time. But if you want to build a professional any kind of custom website, you must have to learn the build from scratch. And another one, clone existing page. Suppose you have a page that you've designed it before and now you want to clone this page and change some text image and again use for another page. So at this time you can choose this option for clone a existing page. So now let's going with build from scratch. I just start building. Okay, once I go with start building, you can see one function for select a row. So there has a lot of row structure. You can select from here. Suppose I go this site and you can see this site, this is a header option. So at the first time we are change this header and later on I will also show you how to you can design a custom header as well. So the another part is the home part, you can see and how the row work. So in this section you can see the 2 row, one row is image and one row with text, button, bottom border, text, again icon and text. And another one you can see is also built with 2 row, this one, and also you can see this one built with 3 row, this one 3 row, it's with 1 row and alignment with left, and this one 1 row, and this one 1 row, and this one 2 row, 1 row, and this one 1 2 3 4 5 row, and this one with 2 row, and this one with 1 2 3 row. And you can see this one is a 1 row and also this one is a 4 row, and also they use a background. The row width is depend on you. So you can see this site is most of the row width is start is here to there. So there has a lot of spacing. So if you want, you can make the row width is full width. So later on I will show you how to you can make the row full width. So let's introduce it one by one. So first I go with 1 row and after create a 1 row you can see the all the design tool is appearing here like Photoshop. You can make anything with this module, just you have to drag and drop and without code. So suppose you can see for in this chapter there has some text and some one image. So suppose I just go with a bar counter, this bar counter with a 1 row. So I just save change, again create another section and added a 2 row and again put a bar counter, and also I want to use another bar counter. Okay, and you can see it is totally different. One is a full width and another one is a half of this bar counter, and this is half because I use for 2 row. Suppose I need right now 4 bar counter, or suppose I need right now for 3 bar counter. Suppose I just use from here 3 bar counter, you can see, and I need 1 text in this particular section, so I just write here text. Okay, and you can see text. So hope you guys will understand how the rows work. So suppose I want to make this full width because I need this full width. Okay, I have to go the section setting, row setting, and from here design, and you can see sizing, and from here you can make the, you have to make the width 100%, and you have to also make the width for fully width. It's dependent on your skin. So you can see right now I use this monitor for a full width is 1920. So you can adjust your width from here. Also there has an option for mobile tablet as well. So hope you guys will understand how the row work and how you can make it full width as well. So I just delete this thing. Okay, also delete this thing, also delete this section as well. So now I want to go with 2 row. 1 row is go with text. Okay, so simply I write here SoebZX, my name. Okay, so you can see when I put the text, there has some default option for make it bold, italic, bullet list, and number list, create a link, block quote. Also you can make it a middle, right side, left side. Also you can make it table, underline, and something related to text editor. It's like a Microsoft Word editing panel. So now you can see it's right now it's a paragraph. So paragraph is a normal text. So if you want, you can make it heading 1, heading 2 as well. So suppose I going with heading 2. So you can see it's right now is more bigger than before because I select this text as a heading 2. Also you can create another text for, you can make it paragraph as well. So now I want to show you some option. So you can see link. So if you want, you can make it as a link. Suppose you just simply, if you write here google.com, if someone come here and simply click the text, it will be direct on Google. And another one, you can see background. So if you want, you can use a background for this text. Suppose it's right now is blank. So if you want, you can make the black background red, yellow, green, and others. So right, I want transparent, no need the background. So also you will get some option for background. You can use only the solid color, gradient, image, or video. So another one is admin level, no need this thing. So go with design, and you can see the design section has a one function for text. So it's the need for, if you use paragraph, you have to design the text with this tool. So I use that tools heading 2. So I have to go heading text, and from here I have to select out H2. Okay, once I select out H2, so you can see some option for heading to font. So you can change the font from here. So suppose I just write here Roboto, and you can see the font is changed. Also you can change the font width as well. You can make it bold, slim, thin, and what you want. And also the same thing, you can make it uppercase, also TT font, also italic, also underline, and also you can alignment with left, right, middle. Also you can change the text color, red, yellow, green, what you want. So I just keep it black. And also you can make this change the text size. You can see the text size is changed. Also you can change the letter spacing. Also you can change the light height. If you want, you can use shadow from here. There has a different shadow. Also you can make that custom shadow using this tool. Also change the shadow color from here. And another thing for sizing, if you go there, you can change the width, maximum width. You can also change the alignment. Also you can change the max width, height, and minimum width. So no need this thing. And spacing, if you want, you can give some margin top, margin bottom, padding top, padding bottom from here. Okay, another thing, border, if you want, you can use the border. You can see border top, border left, border right, it's appearing here. So you can see I select border top, You can see the border top is working, so I don't need the border right now. Okay, and you can also change the border width from here, so I just make it a 0 pixel because I know it. Also there has a filter for change the color, also transform, so no need the transform. So another one is animation, so if you want you can use the animation from here. There has a lot of animation, roll, fold, flip, so you can choose your animation from here. Also you can choose the animation director from here. Right now it's center, you can make it a right, left, up, down, and another one for animation duration. Also you can setting up your animation, how it's animated, and how to you can make it once or loop. That means if you select on once, it's after one time animated, it will be not work, and if you select the loop, it will be animated lifetime. So go advanced. So there has some options, but there has the option for CSS and ID and class. If you want, you can make a custom class, custom CSS, custom ID from here. Also if you want, you can put some custom CSS in here. You can write here for only it's applied with this text, because we are come up only the text settings. Another one is visibility, so there has some option. If you want it's a don't or phone or tablet, you can select from here which device are you don't want to visible it or not. Another one is the horizontal overflow, so you can use for your horizontal and vertical overflow as well. And so another one is transition, so no need the use I will right now because I no need the transition right now. And another one position, so if you want you can change that Z index from here. And another one for scroll effect, so after scroll which effect are you want to apply, you can select from here. So hope you guys will understand all the design, and it's only for text. And when I go with another one, suppose bar counter, so we are getting some option for change color. So in here bar counter, you can go there, you will be see some option for change the color for bar background color, the same thing. Also you can change the text color, text size, everything you will be get in here. And go advanced, the same thing that I described you before. So next chapter we are creating a full website with a 6 page, and you will learn more about the module, and I will show you front of you how the module work and how to you can make the more customizable. So hope you guys will understand how the Divi builder work. And if you have any confusion, I hope that after we are creating the 6 page, you will be automatically understand everything how it's work. So don't worry about the Divi page builder, is totally easy to use and it's a very effective. So thanks for watching, see you with you in next chapter.